You are not born with confidence. It is something you build over time. If you have ever doubted yourself or feel like you are not enough, this video is for you. Here I'm going to give you 6 simple but powerful steps to take to become more confident. Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So let's go straight into doing this video, okay? So number 1 simple steps that I'm going to give you is to identify your insecurities. First, you need to understand what makes you feel insecure. Is it how you look? Is it what people think about you or your skill? If you don't know the root of a problem, how can you solve the problem? So you have to first of all know what are the things that makes me feel less of myself. Because feeling less of yourself is like not having confidence. So you have to identify those insecurities, those problems. And then beauties, when you have identified those problems, the next step is to do what? To face those problems, to face your fears. I know now, facing fears is something that we all try to push aside. Confidence, beauties, grows when you do things that you are scared of. Not at once, but step by step. Speak up more. Try new things. Take small risk. Whatever, listen, I tell you one thing, beauties. Every time you face a fear, you prove to yourself that you are stronger than you think. So you have to face your fears. Like I said, when you identify the problems, try to tackle the problems. And anytime you tackle a problem and you become successful, you tap yourself. It's like adding confidence to the one you have. So another thing again, beauties, is another step to take is do what make you feels good. In as much as some people feel less of themselves, there are things you are good at doing. Pay attention to what boosts your confidence and what destroys it. Spend more time doing things that makes you feel proud, strong, and happy. Avoid and distance yourself from things or from people. Even if it's family members, you can love them from afar. Even if it's friends. If your friend circle doesn't elevate you, doesn't boost your confidence, try to distance yourself from them. Your environment, your circle can help boost or destroy your confidence. So if you are that type of person that your friends doesn't bring the good in you, they always try to tell you, no, you cannot do this, you cannot do that. Try to distance yourself from them. Okay, so the next step, beauties, is what? To stop comparing yourself. Comparison, beauties, is one of the... I am using the front camera. Sorry, I keep looking at myself. Yeah, I have to learn how to look at the lens. Yeah, so beauties, like I was saying, stop comparing yourself. Comparison is one of the biggest confidence killer. What did I say? Comparison is one of the biggest confidence killer. Remember, someone will always be ahead of you, and that's okay. If my friends are ahead of me, it's okay. Confidence is a journey. I don't have to compare myself. Oh, sister A is doing better than me. Sister B is doing better than me. And another thing, since the evolution of social media, I noticed that a lot of people compare themselves with what they see on social media. Majority of the lives we are seeing on social media are fake. So stop comparing yourself. Be contented with what you have. Improve. Instead of you, the only person that you're supposed to be in competition or in comparing with is who you were yesterday. Yourself. But the yesterday version of yourself is the only person you can be comparing yourself with. Apart from that, no other person. Does that talk about you? Because honestly, in as much as I'm doing this video, I'm also learning. Because sometimes I will sit down, I will be like, oh, had it been I did so thing, so time, I would have been where this person is. The only person, let me repeat it again, beauties, the only person that I, Beauty by NG, supposed to be in competition is who I was yesterday. No any other person. Focus on your own growth. Everybody's journey differs. Your journey is not my journey. My journey is not your journey. So we should stop comparing ourselves. So beauties, the next on my list is be kind to yourself. Your inner voice matters a lot. What you allow your inner voice tells you about yourself matters. Not even what people think about you. Because what people think about you shouldn't even be a problem to you. It should be their problem. If you're always putting yourself down, your confidence, beauties, will not grow. Let me repeat it again. If you are the one that always put yourself down, your confidence will not grow. Yes. Always tell yourself positive words. Even when you see that things are still not the way you want it, be positive, optimistic. Start talking to yourself like you will talk to a good friend. You know, when you have nice and kind friends around you, you talk to them respectfully. You talk to them in a tone that suits them. Why not, in return, do it to yourself? Be patient and encourage yourself that you are better than this. And I tell you, beauties, your confidence will grow. You will see yourself in another level. So, beauties, like I said, confidence doesn't happen overnight. If you practice these steps daily, it will grow. Start small, stay consistent, and trust the process. So, beauties, this comes to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this type of video. And if you do, kindly give my video a thumbs up, comment, like, share, beauties, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. And I will catch you in my next video. Stay blessed, stay safe, and be confident. Bye.